Can you tell me your name?
Kylie.
Kylie? All right, how old are you, Kylie?
5.
You're 5? All right. I want you to help me with something, okay? I want you to help me make sure that there's the same amount of water in both of these cups, okay? All right. Do those look like they have the same amount of water in them? No? Which one has more? That one? Okay. Do they have the same amount now? No? Does this one still have more? Yeah? Okay. Alright. Do they look the same now? No? Which one has more? That one? Alright. Does that look good now? Yeah? Okay. So if I take one of these cups of water and I pour it all into this one, does this one have more water? Does this one have more water? Or do they have the same amount?
This one has more water.
This one has more water? Why is that?
Because it's all the way up to the top.
Because it's all the way up to the top, and this one's not all the way up to the top? Alright, so if I pour this water back in here, do they have the same amount? Alright. I have some Play-Doh. Alright, there's one ball. And there's the other, okay? Right? Do those balls of Play-Doh look like they have the same amount of Play-Doh? No? They do look like they have the same amount? Okay. So if I take this Play-Doh and I roll it out like this, does this have more Play-Doh? Does this have more Play-Doh? Or do they have the same amount of Play-Doh? This one has more Play-Doh? Why is that?
Because it's in a line.
Because it's in a line? Alright, and this one's not in a line? Okay. So if I take this and I put it back in a ball, does this one have more Play-Doh? Does this one have more Play-Doh, or are they the same? This one has more Play-Doh? Alright. Alright, does this one still have more Play-Doh, or does this one, or are they the same now?
This still has more.
That one still has more Play-Doh? Alright. Are they back to the same amount? Alright. And that's it. Alright, so what's your name?
Shade.
And how old are you?
9.
9? Alright. I want you to help me make sure that there's a good amount of water in both of these cups, okay? Alright, does that look about equal? Alright. So I'm going to take one of these cups. I'm going to pour it in here, alright? So all of it's in there. Alright. So does this one have more water? Does this one have more water? Or do they have the same amount of water in them?
They have the same amount.
Why is that?
Because you put the same amount of water in these two and then you put this in here.
Alright. Good. Now I have some Play-Doh, okay? Okay. Alright, so I have some Play-Doh. These look like they have the same amount of Play-Doh in them? About that? Alright, so if I go like this, one of the Play-Doh balls. Alright, does this one have more Play-Doh? Does this one have more Play-Doh, or do they have the same amount?
They have this about the same amount.
Alright, why is that?
Because this was a ball, but then you rolled it out.
Alright. So if I put this back in a bowl, does this one have the same amount? Does this one have the same amount? Or are they both the same?
They're both the same.
All right. Good. And that's it. Thank you.